Right, this is a very lovely community. Nothing is brick, and there are some homes that are still being built. It's kind of like a Candyland feeling. Everything is, what am I gonna say? Okay, I'm gonna think of it in a minute. But it's, can't think of the name of the construction. It's very nice though, very nice community, kind of Disneyland, Candyland kind of thing going on. All right, on this side, this is a formal dining room. They're using it as obviously a play space. Hardwood floors. On this side, you've got a staircase. All right, so they're going into the main living area. Right past that glass is like a sun porch. Okay, so it's pretty open space right there. Dark granite countertops. Hardwood floor all the way through again. You can look out, plantation shutters to see the rest of the community. Let's see there. And that is gas. I know that's important to you. Smooth ceilings, recessed lighting. Out here, okay, we got another cat somewhere in here. All right, there's a little porch there. There's a grill that's probably going to be going. And the alleyways, you'd have to come into the alley to get to the parking garage here. Okay, so this is the main living area. Back here, we have a guest bathroom. Got the wainscoting. And the laundry room is on the opposite side. Some nice cabinets. Okay. Through here is the garage. Again, you have to come through the alley to get into the garage. So you don't see the garage from the front of the house at all. Hallway. And this is the porch. Covered. It is outside though. So it's really kind of nice out here. It is an outdoor space, but it's completely covered. And it's just, I don't know, it feels good out there. All right, so here's the what do you call that thing? A lighting. And you've got tray ceilings here. The carpet is in good shape because this is relatively a new house. So good feel to the room. It's adequate spacing, I would say. So you can see it's pretty good size. This is the owner's suite. Water closet. Shower and the garden tub. Pretty good size. It's not a, a thimble like I see a lot of places. Okay. Nice spacing in there. And there's a shelf up there with some lighting. Nice mood. All right, here's the closet. Long closet. Walk through it. Okay, so now I'm going to go upstairs and see what's up there. Okay, we got a bedroom here. Oh, isn't that cute? And here's the bathroom. Bathtub and toilet. You can walk in there. This is Isabella's room. It's a good size. Walk-in closet again. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom. And the toilet. Okay, now I'm going to try and get down to the basement. Okay, unfinished. It is finished. Okay, that's locked. This is an office space where that's what they're using it for. Oop, step up, Arvelyn. Okay. There's the light there. Okay. Obviously, mostly play area down here. Oh, it's deep back there. Okay, got workspace here. It's mostly unfinished. We've got a bathroom. Yeah, this space back here is unfinished completely, but it's deep. Can't really get any more light. Okay, that concludes, wait, what's behind door number 50? More storage space. Okay, that's it. This is partly finished and a lot of space that isn't. All right, this was Andover and McDonough.